Today we're at Parkley Farm Holiday Cottages in Linlithgow at one of our recent installs. It's quite a unique site where 5 cottages, 1 farmhouse are all run off electricity, not just for lighting and appliances but also for heating and hot water. So the electricity bill's been quite high and they needed a solution for reducing that. The solution was for a 50 kilowatt ground mounted solar array made up of 200 panels that feed electricity back to the cottages and the farmhouse. Normally with ground mounted installations we would pile drive posts down about 1.6–1.8 metres. At a test dig we actually found we only had a 500mm soil depth, so we had to work closely with European manufacturers to come up with the solar PV Max system, which is concrete based with the frames attached onto it. Very happy with how the installation has gone. We had just after Christmas time 100-mile-per-hour winds in the area, so we know it's been tested to sort of the highest limits. Client will be guaranteed to have reduced energy costs for the future years. The value of that electricity saved will only get better over time as well, as we know the cost of electricity is only increasing year upon year. They'll also get a second income stream from the feed-in tariff, which is paid to them quarterly. At Absolute, we specialise in commercial renewable energy. The approach we take as a company is very consultative. We'll sit down, listen to the client's needs and design a system that's going to suit them and deliver what they need.